How to add music to your Instagram posts. Hey everyone, in this video tutorial, we're showing you how to add music to your Instagram posts. Adding music to Instagram posts means incorporating a background song or music clip into a photo or video you're sharing on your Instagram feed. This lets you enhance the mood and feeling of your post, making it more engaging for viewers. So to add music to your Instagram posts, first open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap the plus icon at the bottom to create a new post. Select Post from the options. Choose the photo or video you want to share. Once selected, tap Next in the top right corner. Now, feel free to add any effects you like to your content. Once you're done, look for the little music note icon next to the Next button. Tap on that icon to open the music library. Here, you've got some choices. Instagram will recommend some songs for you, or you can browse through different categories. You can even use the search bar at the top to find a specific song. Once you've found the perfect song, tap on it. Now you can choose which part of the song you want to play with your post. Use the slider at the bottom to pick your favorite section. From the left of the timeline here, you'll see 30. You can select that and choose the duration of the clip of music that you want to include in your song. Once you're happy with the selection, tap Done. You should see the music icon replaced with the album art for your chosen song. Now you can add a caption, tag people, and make any other edits you like. If you didn't see the music icon earlier, don't worry. You can also add music from this screen right under the Add Reminder option. When you're all set, simply tap Share to post your creation with the world. Now everyone who sees your post will be able to enjoy the music you've chosen. And this is how to add music to your Instagram posts to enhance the mood and feeling of your post, making it more engaging for viewers. If you have any questions about adding music to your Instagram posts, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.